Hey guys, welcome back to my video, and today, welcome to my video, and today we're doing our unboxing, so it's gonna be good. So let's just start. Okay, so I'm gonna be unboxing a hand drill because I'm not allowed a electric drill, you know, those motorized ones. I'm not allowed those. And I have another drill set, and I'll be doing some testing if it's worth it. So if it's good and if it helped you guys, please like. And if you want more vlogs, crafting ideas, crafting stuff, and or just reviews or unboxing, I'm here to help you guys. So subscribe if you want more. Let's just get started. Okay, I'll just show you the item. So this is an item. Oh, right. This is a hand drill, as you can see here, from Craft-Rite. And this has an 8mm keyless chuck and a cast iron gear wheel and 3-jaw self-centering chuck. So that seems pretty good. It's kind of small chuck, not the original chuck I use, but yeah. So and this is when I got this 8-piece drill bit set. 6 pieces machinery drill set bit, so it looks like a brick, so it might be going on rock or bricks or something, and a 6-piece wood drill bit there. Sorry if you can't see it, sorry, but there you go. And 6-piece metal drill bit, so that's pretty good. Metal, that means metal can go through anything, like sort of, so that's kind of good. Let's just start with this. Let's just start opening this drill set. So it comes with a decent enough package. You have to do it by yourself. That's kind of annoying. So, and yeah, it seems pretty good. Thanks. Thank you. And that's my sister, personal assistant, PA. Okay, let's just get sorted with this. I need some scissors. Okay. I'll see you right back after this, okay? See you guys, well, in a 2 seconds. Okay, finally I got some scissors. Lighting's good. Okay, I got some scissors so we can open this package. Let's go. Like, I'll put it close to you so you can see how I open it. There's a little line, so I think we should open it from there. Okay. So, another... actually, I'll put you as a bird eye view, so it's going down here. So yeah. Sorry guys, sorry for wasting time. I can't do on like the camera focusing down here, so you just have to go here. But I'll be buying a tripod soon, so we'll be doing that, okay? So yeah, sorry for wasting your time. But let's just get sorted with this. Okay. Okay, another packaging under a package. Weird, but kind of safe. Now I have to cut it again. Okay, I cut through the package. So you can see here, I cut through the package. Wait. Yeah, this seems good. So I cut through the package. As you can see, those 2 packages underneath. It's kind of greasy. I think that's how like things are. Oh, okay. I ripped through the whole pad. I'm a bad ripper. So, it's kind of greasy everywhere. Yuck. Disgusting. It's a little oily. So, but I don't know the use of this. Like, I don't know what's the use of this right here. I don't know what's the use of. Wait, let's clear all the way. Okay, I don't know what's the use of this for. So, oh, just saying the company's Craft-Rite Engineering Works. Just saying that, and this one too. I don't get the use of this though. Hello, but we got this though, so we can just screw that. Let's just screw that on right now. Okay guys, we have just finished it. I think it goes like this. But this is kind of inaccurate, so I'm just going to do that. Or you just do that. I think you do this. Just push it against your chest or your stomach, and then just roll it around. It's kind of smooth, but if it gets rusty, I think I should put some WD-40 or some grease on it, just to make it more smooth. But everything seems okay here. Okay, let's just go for this one. I'm going to put this away aside. Put this boxing down there. Bye. Okay. So, this is a Craft-Rite. I think I already explained it. Let's just open through the package. So, this is like a twist one. I snapped it there. Yeah, so it won't happen to yours. It's just I dropped it. So, let's just... There you go. Okay, let's just open this up. Oh, dude. I don't think I'm supposed to do that. So this goes all the way to 10, but I'm only up to 8. I'm just gonna open this, and then you'll have a testing of the. It seems kind of good because it's shiny, sharp at the edges, really sharp. So you don't have to sharpen this, but other ones are. There's different textures on the top. This one, the red type, is different, and this one is like curved up. This one is like had a pointy part, so you can piece through the thing. I think this is for wood. I think this is. It doesn't tell you for wood. I don't know why. Because how am I supposed to know which is for wood? Because all of them are mostly the same measurements. Super weird, but yeah. I'm just gonna. I found this in my backyard. So yeah. Yeah, it's good if you do this too. It just makes it whole. So I'm just gonna show you guys. There you go. I'll put it in here to you guys. So we're gonna be testing this wood against these two. So I'm just gonna put this jack. Wait, I'm just gonna put this on jack on. Yeah, it just rolls around. Same. See, look at this. You can do that. Wait, I'm just gonna. Oh, too much noise. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna open this up. Sorry, that's my sister. She's, I don't know, shouting like usual. Okay, I'm just gonna put this out. Oh, okay. I'll put this in. Oh, it doesn't fit. Okay, I'll roll it more. Whoop. Okay, I think it might fit now. No, it doesn't. Ow. Luckily, my floor is carpet, so it didn't make a dent or something. Oh, God. The chuck just fell off. Okay. It's kind of bad system. I think it's not I think it's my fault. Oh, shoot. There's a lot of grease on my hand. So, if you're using this, I recommend you, if you want to be clean, I recommend you have some gloves. Old gloves will be good because if you don't want to get your new gloves dirty or something. Okay. I don't think the 8 works. That's kinda bad. It says it should go for 8 millimeters. Okay, let's not waste our time by using the 8 millimeter one. So I'm just gonna put this back where it belongs. You're gonna waste your time, mate. Waste of time, mate. Wait, what does it say in the box? Yeah, it says 8. Okay, I'm gonna go and skip ahead to 6. So yeah. Okay, I'm not a good person with these kind of technology. Okay guys, so finally I have put down the drill. It might not be that sturdy, but it's hard to do that. Oh, it's kind of plastic, flimsy. It's kind of flimsy handle here. Not that good, but there's a little screw that's loose. Try to straighten it out. This is my scissor. That's kind of bad. Okay, I'll just use this, see what happens. Ah, it's not working, damn it. Okay, sorry for wasting the time. Let's just get to the test. So far, it's kind of good. I'm not that, person who can do stuff that's... It's kind of hot. I'm going to stand up for now. The handle's kind of bad. This top handle here is kind of bad. So I'm just going to use this. But so far, it's really good. It drills not as fast as drill, but hand drill. it's good for your children. If you're a parent watching this, it's good for your children, like, to be safe at the same time, but be learning about the, you know, daily life skills. So it's good too. So if you haven't encouraged your children to be creative, like do these stuff, then you should be doing it, because in these daily lives, these people, like, you know, in the future there'll be loads of technology, and people won't even be bothered touching equipment like these, not even doing any woodwork. They'll be like all technology stuff. So it's good if you do it, if you help those children, your children, to be, you know, do your thing. Like, it's a holidays for me, so I'm kind of happy about that. Sort of. Yeah, I love school. I'm not saying I don't like school. I'm just I like. Yeah, it's kind of hard to handle, but if you get the hang of it, I think it'll be good. Oh, fudge. Okay, guys, I think... Guys, I made a mess, so yeah. But it gets the job done, okay? And this is a good exercise for your arm. It's a good workout. And it's good to wear some gloves, because you might get some blisters from, like, too much use of that. But everything's good. You just using the grease just comes on you. But yeah. So far I give this rating 8, 9, about 8.5 out of 10. Since about the quality of it, the flimsy handles, and this just falling off. It's kind of stupid, but I don't know how to tighten this, like, really, because it just it just quickly get this out, so. Okay. So this is all for me for today, guys. If you want more HD content like this, unboxing, reviews, what you should buy, or crafting ideas, or me doing some crafting with wood, yeah, and getting your children, if you're parents, like, if you're a parent watching this, this is a good opportunity in the holidays or in the weekends to stop going on, like, video games and all that, and having some fun with with some wood crafting ideas. So yeah, it's kind of good. So if you really want, if you like this video, why don't you give this a like? Yeah, this video a like if you want. And subscribe for more HD content like this. I'll be doing vlogs, yeah, vlogs with this camera, doing vlogs, and I'll be doing crafting ideas, unboxing reviews, and all that. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a like if you like it, and yeah, see you guys. Bye.